Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are Group 5 from Biodiversity class in IPSE
2021.
First off, we would like to introduce ourselves. First,
hello, my name is Fani Ulya Karimah with student ID 21011756.
Hello, my name is Ayu Nursalamah with student ID 2100224.
hello, my name is Nuralifia Putri Sugiarto with the student ID of 2100867.
And me, Elfrida Nurul with student ID 2109710.
Today's video, we would like to identify the scientific name of the plant in
Dichotomous
with the application name
Plan.net.
So let's do using these applications. It's the plant.net, and then after we in the home, we can touch this and we take the pictures. Here's like this. Wow, you can see this is the name of this plant. We know this plant. It's called hibiscus Sugiarto mulfaceae. Wow, so beautiful. You can see this picture too with the other colors. So let's move on to the other plants with Ayu.
I wanna observe this plant. So first we open the planet app, and now we're gonna observe this. Let's take a picture. Alright. So this is the flower of the plant. We choose the flower, and then voila! Scientific name of this plant is Adenium obesum, and we can look. There's a lot of type of this flower, like this. So this application is very useful for us to identify the scientific name of the plant. And look at the flower. So done with my observation, and next move on to
First, we're gonna open the application. Now we're gonna try to take a pic of it. Alright, I've got the picture. Now, since the most noticeable thing from this plant is the leaf, we're gonna search from the leaf. And voila! So, on the first suggestion, the scientific name of this plant is Grammatophyllum Symposium blooming. And there's a lot of few suggestions on the lower part, but I think the most correct one is the first suggestion. So now I know that this plant is part of an orchid. I'm gonna try to take a pic of the fruit. Okay. Right now I'm gonna wait until it's identified, and we're gonna search for the fruit. On the first one, we can find out that this plant has a scientific name of Medinilla magnifica Lindl.
Let's do try it. What is this? So first we take the pictures, and then this is, oh wow, it's kind of tactile, but it has the other man's name of this. Is the first Drymaria cordata.
Identify the scientific name using this app. Let's take the picture. Okay. Now we can this plant. The scientific name from this plant is Bougainvillea spectabilis wild. Okay, now we can see. Wow, so many kind of this plant. Although this plant has different color, but the scientific name is same. This is Bougainvillea spectabilis white.
Right, so we have done with observing the plant and Deca building using
Plant.net. And since we have identified 6 scientific names of each plant, now we're gonna create the dichotomous key.
For the first part, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, and P6 are the code for each plant that we have observed before. And then we're gonna find out what's the plant. The leaf type is a whorled one. The plant that has a whorled type of leaf is P2 and P4. And after that, specify them again from the leaf type into the types of vegetation. On this case, it's parallel. Then I found out that in the parallel vegetation, P4 has type of parallel vegetation, Medinilla magnifica Lindo. And for the vegetation type that is not parallel, it is Adenium abacium, forest, and false.
We can divide that from the compound leaves. From the even peanut, the plant have the even peanut is the P3, and that doesn't have the even peanut, it's the P1, P5, and P6. You can see the P3 that is plant from the Grammatopelum spacizum, and the plant that has the P1, P5, and P6, we can divide it by 2. From the leaf margin, it's from the sinuate. The sinuate leaf margin, it's the P5. It's Bougainvillea stabilis build, and the plant that doesn't have the leaf margin sinuate have 2. Is it the P1 and P6? So that we know that the P1 it's the Tussilago farfara, and the plant that doesn't have the leaf core that is P6 is Hibiscus mutabilis.
Discussion. According to our observation, it is easy to get information about the scientific name and other information about a plant by simply identifying one part of the plant. For example, the use of plant.net, which has become a platform that is able to recognize the identity of a plant by analyzing the taken picture and calculate the percentage level of similarity of the plant. And the identified picture can be from the plant's leaf, flower, stem, fruit, and even habitat. It's still possible to get a less precise identification because of human error or unclear angle of the taken picture. For example, it's a bit difficult to identify plant number 4 because it only can be identified by their leaf. Therefore, of the plant characteristic is essential to get the best result.
For the conclusion from the data and results that we have noted above, we can see that the 6 plants whose names we didn't know previously have their own similarities and differences from each of the existing plants. We can see the differences and similarities more clearly by making a dichotomous key. Therefore, the use of the plant.net platform is very helpful in knowing the detailed identity of a plant.
I hope this video can help you in using the plant.net application and also identifying more scientific name of plants. Thank you so much!
Don't forget to like,
comment, and subscribe!